Okay, so Google is in big trouble. All right, OpenAI just released SearchGPT prototype, and it says we are testing SearchGPT, a temporary prototype of new AI search features that give you fast and timely answers with clear and relevant sources. All right, so Google is the biggest search company in the world, and their rivals are Microsoft, and Microsoft owns 49% of OpenAI. So apparently it's just a feature that was just announced. As you can see, it says join waitlist here, which means it is not yet ready for public use. But looking at it here, looking at the video, it looks really, really good. I love the way the animations just flow. It is so easy on the eyes. And I hope it will be really, really accurate, because currently Google is really taking the piss with the search results. So it says here we are testing SearchGPT, a prototype of new search result designed to combine the strength of our AI models with information from the web to give you fast and timely answers with clear and relevant sources. We are launching to a small group of users and publishers to get feedback. While this prototype is temporary, we plan to integrate the best of these features directly into ChatGPT in the future. So this means that you wouldn't have to open google.com, you wouldn't have to even open SearchGPT or whatever, right? So directly inside GPT, it's like they are giving you your own personal assistants that can help you with writing, coding, research, and all that. But it can also help you with search. So instead of doing something differently in ChatGPT and then going on Google to go and search, you can do both of these things in ChatGPT in the future, right? It is referred to as a new way to search. Getting answers on the web can take a lot of effort, often requiring multiple attempts to get relevant results. That's a dig at Google, by the way. We believe that enhancing the conversational capabilities of our models with real-time information from the web, finding what you're looking for, can be faster and easier. This is a screen recording of SearchGPT inside ChatGPT, I think, because the logo is here. This is really, really good. Google needs to step up their search, I'm telling you. You'll be able to ask follow-up questions like you would in a conversation with a person, with a shared context building with each query. This is really, really interesting. Okay, it says they are partnering with publishers and creators, and it says we are committed to a thriving ecosystem of publishers and creators. We hope to help users discover publisher sites and experiences while bringing more choice to search. For decades, search has been a foundational way for publishers and creators to reach users. And we are using AI to enhance this experience by highlighting high-quality content in a conversational interface with multiple opportunities for users to engage. This is a very, very good perspective on search, all right? Because search has been one way for decades, especially with Google being at the forefront. And it was, I think, Yahoo and Ask.com, right? And then Bing.com as well. So hopefully this will usher in a new era of search where users will not have to be frustrated with the results that they get when they are searching for something and they just can't seem to find it, because instead of understanding the context of what you're actually looking for and giving you what you're looking for, they are using the keywords, right, to find the best results that possibly match what you are looking for. Because I can be looking for something on Google, something that relates to maybe server administration or something like that, and because of the way I phrase the sentence, right? Most people are not technically inclined, right? So because of the way you phrase a sentence, the searches can come up differently. This is a really exciting thing to hear about, because I have been frustrated with Google search for quite some time now. Okay, so I think this is a quote from Nicholas Thompson, the CEO of The Atlantic, which says, AI search is going to become one of the key ways that people navigate the internet, and it's crucial in these early days that the technology is built in a way that values, respects, and protects journalism and publishers. We look forward to partnering with OpenAI in the process. So this is going to be very interesting. So it says it's designed to help users connect to publishers by prominently citing and linking to them in searches. Then again, it's going to be very interesting, because when you search for something, it usually gives you what you want without actually needing to click the link to go to the full article, right? So I'm wondering how it's going to help users connect with the publishers if the links are just there. I mean, if people are not going to be clicking the links, then what's the point of saying that it's going to help users connect with the publishers. This is quite interesting. Then here's another quote from Robert Thompson, the CEO of News Corp. All right, so that's it for GPT, guys. This is a really interesting thing, and yeah, I hope Google takes this challenge and revolutionize what they try to do with incorporating Gemini into search, which really flopped. So yeah, let me know what you think below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this and latest updates on OpenAI and the tech world. See you later.